How to install and reinstall wireless network adapter drivers on your Windows. Hey everybody, if our Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting or not working, installing and reinstalling the wireless adapter should fix many driver issues and restore the connectivity. So we may follow this step to fix it. First of all, we can head over to our device manager, press Windows plus X for that, and from the given menu, select Device Manager, hit Enter, and open it up on your device. Now, once we open up our device manager, what we need to do is select Windows plus S and type in device manager as well and expand the network adapters instead. So find network adapter, expand it up, and there we can locate the wireless adapter. Usually it has wireless or Wi-Fi name in it. Let's say this is the one. So once you find it up, what you need to do is right click on it and select this option of install driver and confirm it up. You need to confirm this up, and once we confirm it up, it will delete the driver software for this device. You can just go and uninstall it, and once you restart your device, it should automatically reinstall the drivers. Windows will detect the adapter and reinstall it. If it does not, we can continue up the next step. So for that, we can go to the manufacturer website. Usually you can head over to a browser and go to your manufacturer's website, for example, Intel's. So you can just go over and Intel, look out for Intel network adapter, or even your Realtek one, which is the adapter for you. And once you find it up, you can just go over and look out for the adapter for you and download the latest version available for your adapter. You can run the installer and follow the instructions, and after reinstalling, you may connect it to Wi-Fi. You can look out for the Wi-Fi and connect to the Wi-Fi and test internet to ensure that it is working properly. And that's it. And installing and reinstalling the Wi-Fi adapter. Wireless adapter usually fixes the Wi-Fi issues. We may follow the steps for that for more quick PC fixes. So make sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.